Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your AT&T account security and spam blocking settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the AT&T website address in the address bar. Press enter to load the page. Once the page loads, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on sign in to access your account. Enter your AT&T account login credentials. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. After logging in, look for the Account tab on the main dashboard. Hover over or click the Account tab to reveal the drop-down options. Select Profile from the drop-down menu. Once in the Profile section, find the Security settings. Click on Security to access your security options. Here, you can update your password for added protection. If you wish to enable two-step verification, find the relevant option. Follow the prompts to set up two-step verification. Next, return to the main profile section. Now locate the spam blocking settings. Click on spam blocking to customize your spam preferences. You can enable or disable spam blocking as needed. Adjust any additional spam settings to suit your preferences. Review all updated settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, you can log out of your account. Close the web browser when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.